Hey y'all, welcome back to class. So, I am your teacher and my name is Tamia. So, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to tame my eyebrows and I'm going to show y'all some tricks and some little tips. I'm trying to get my mirror together so I don't mess up my eyebrows. But I'm going to show y'all some tips and some tricks on how I do my eyebrows. I don't have to do my eyebrows often at all. Like, they just look like they're getting too long, so I'm going to do a little maintenance. So, anywho, let's get started. So that was a really bad end. I didn't like it. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different ways that I do my eyebrows. So the first way is on a dry eyebrow, which means I have nothing on it. So I'm brushing my eyebrow with this little eyebrow pencil, and at the end of it, it has like a little brush. So first, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows straight up so that I can see all the hairs that's out of line, and then once I see those little extra hairs, I'm gonna use my little bitty scissors. You can get these at the dollar store, the beauty supply store, anywhere, but I'm just gonna cut off the excess hair. So after I get the top together, I just comb my eyebrows down and do the same thing. Like, I know y'all see those little long eyebrows. We just gonna cut the little excess hair, trim it up real nice and neat. So then I'm just gonna go back in with my razor, and I got this from the dollar store. I mean, the beauty supply store, but you can get it at the dollar store too. And I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eyebrow, and it's just making my lines more sharper. And I'm just gonna go with the natural arch of my eyebrow. One of my eyebrows always have a better arch than the other one, but I never care because I mean it's still cute. So this is my second way, which is really my favorite way to do it. So what you're going to do is add some gel to your eyebrows. This is the black Ant Pro style gel. It don't matter what kind of gel you use. But anyways, the point is you're slicking down your eyebrow, right? So when you're slicking it down, it's kind of giving you more control. So you see how when I brush my eyebrows upward, like they brushed up and they stayed there. So it's easier for me to see what I'm cutting, and it's easier for me to give it a more, you know, natural shape. And so literally like I'm doing the same thing that I do on the dry eyebrow on, I guess you can call it a wet eyebrow. I don't know. But so after you're done, well, after I'm done with the gel, I'm just gonna wipe the gel off, and this is how my eyebrows are looking. Very nice. If I had to give y'all a tip, the tip is, don't really try to recreate your eyebrows. However they look, just kind of go with the natural arch of your eyebrows, cause that's just what makes them look more natural anyway. Cause one of mine got an arch, and one of mine is kind of like is more softer. It has like a round something. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you think about my eyebrows and my eyelashes. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.